Welcome back to Altus channel. So today I'm going to show you how to find drafts on your Tumblr. If you want to find all your drafts on your Tumblr, how do you get about it? Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the browser and you search for tumblr.com. I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Then you go to your Chrome browser and search for tumblr.com. So you search for tumblr.com. Make sure you sign in into your account. So you're going to click sign into your account. Click on these three dots and sign in. Click on login. Log into your account. Continue with Google. So you click on continue with Google. Just sorry guys, you have to make sure you sign in into your account. So choose the account that you use. So after you've signed into your account, show your Google Chrome. Then the next thing we need to do is we're going to find our draft. Okay, it's almost going, so let's wait a little. Alright, so you can see. So what you need to do is, after you have signed into your account, now what you need to do is click on this three line. Once you click on this three line, you're going to see account. Now click on your account, then you scroll down, and you're going to see your draft. You can see under your blogs, click on draft. Then you're going to automatically find all your drafts here very easily. You can see recently I do not have any draft here, so if you want to have any drafts, you can see how to find it easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.